How to make your YouTube channel discoverable. Number 1, make sure to create a channel name that is easier to be searched. Don't use a very long channel name. Make sure that it's easy to memorize. No special characters or symbols, and of course, it should be unique. Don't use common channel names. It's better if you are the only one who has that channel name. Reminder, let them copy yours, but don't ever copy them. Number 2, use keywords. To help your videos to be discoverable or easier to appear on YouTube search results or Google search engines, keywords are very important. You can put keywords on your video descriptions. Why put keywords? Because keywords helps YouTube and Google find out what is in your video, or what is your video all about. Then they will recommend if someone searched for it. For Keyword Tool Generator, I will put the link on my pinned comment. Number 3, don't forget also to add relevant tags. You can also put them on your video description starting with hashtag. Note, don't put it on tag section, cause it won't appear, just write it on your video description. Number 4, create lots of contents. If you're not sure yet about your content, or if your content right now is not yet gaining more views, then explore more contents. Once you find out what content or video is gaining views, then expand or focus on that content. Number 5, check your titles. One of most searched titles are starting with how to, or you can also use when you, because it has a higher chance to be clicked. And also don't forget to make your title readable. Capitalize the first letter of each word. You can also add numbers and powerful words. Example, 10 ways to, 12 most, top 10 most. Or you can also add some call to action words, like, watch this, learn more, check this out, and more CTA words. Number 6, choose the best thumbnail. Choose the option that is the most attention-grabbing, and of course, no to clickbait. Number 7, utilize your social networks. Don't rely on YouTube searches alone. When it comes to people discovering your content, share your videos on your social networks, Twitter, Facebook, and more. Thanks for watching everyone. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you all.